The ViroTrap range is a highly versatile glue board fly killer and is recommended for use where hygiene is critically important, such as food production, processing, packing and preparation areas. Examples of suitable locations would be food and drink processing factories, commercial kitchens and pharmaceutical production sites. It is also suitable for less hygiene sensitive areas where maximum effectiveness is required due to large volume of flies, such as barns, stables close to livestock and agriculture. The ViroTrap can be fitted in a variety of positions to fit the needs of the location: wall, flat surface, corner mounted or suspended. The ViroTrap is available in a 26 watt, 40 watt and 80 watt unit to cover areas from 160 meters squared to 480 meters squared. Our energy efficient UV Eco Light Fly Killer lamp fits all eco control units, which means you only have to stock one type of tube, which means more efficient stock holding and a simpler process for customers. Eco Light lamps emits up to 2.5 times the level of effective UVA light for attracting insects than standard fly killer lamps. The ViroTrap therefore outperforms against competing products and achieves a higher catch rate. ViroTrap units do not require starters or chokes, therefore have fewer components to malfunction, less to recycle and are easier to transport. We are proud that our ViroTrap units and components are manufactured to a high quality in Europe, giving you peace of mind that you are purchasing a superior fly killer product. The open design of the ViroTrap allows the eco lamps to emit a large amount of direct UV light from the unit, delivering a higher catch rate and increasing the unit's effectiveness. The ViroTrap was designed for flexibility and can be positioned easily in almost any location due to the many mounting options available. These include suspended, wall mounted, uplighter and surface top mounted. For the ceiling suspended option, please ensure that the ceiling you have chosen is sufficient to bear the load of the fly killer unit. Firstly, mark with a pencil 2 points on the ceiling the same distance apart as the unit. Drill a hole on these marks and insert a screw plug. Measure the length of chain against the 2 holes, ensuring that the excess chain hanging down is equal on both sides. Screw the hooks or screws into the holes with the chain attached. Flies have been shown in tests to have a preference for landing on flat, horizontal glue boards. Therefore, suspending your unit is a very effective mounting position for the ViroTrap insect killer. Finally, attach the unit to the hooks, one on each side, ensuring that they are safely secured, and connect to the power cable. To wall mount your ViroTrap unit, firstly position the large stainless steel body of the unit directly against the wall, marking with a pencil the 4 corners of the outer strip in the unit. Next, drill a hole on each pencil mark and insert screw plugs. Screw in the top 2 screws halfway, then reposition the unit in line with the top screws and tighten them so that the unit is held in place. Add the bottom 2 screws and tighten so that the unit is secure. Insert the glue board and attach the power cable. This position allows the UV light to flow up and down the wall and makes the large glue board highly visible. For discreet insect control, the ViroTrap can be mounted at an angle in the uplighter position. This position will restrict the effectiveness of the fly killer, but it still remains an option. Mark and drill holes to attach the first wall bracket onto the wall and screw into place, making sure they are tight. Using this bracket as a guide, Use a ruler to measure at least 300 mm to the right, and a spirit level to ensure the brackets will be level. Again, mark with a pencil 2 holes for the second bracket, and drill holes. Attach the second bracket by screwing into place, and attach the ViroTrap unit onto the brackets in the uplighter position. Finally, add the glue board and connect the power cable. Position the unit flat on top of a surface using the large flat front as a base. It is often put on top of fridges or kitchen shelving. As we mentioned, there are no starters or chokes in our Viro Fly Killers, so it is simply a case of unscrewing the lamp and inserting a new one. Eco-light lamps make it easier to service the units one-handed, particularly in awkward locations compared with traditional lamps. Before servicing the insect killer, make sure the power is turned off and the UV lamp has had time to cool down. See here how the two types of lamps compare when servicing the unit. The traditional lamp on the right side requires the starter changing one at a time and then the use of both hands to turn the lamp into the position to remove them. Imagine this process while up a ladder. Now take a look at the ViroTrap unit on the left and see how much quicker the tubes can be changed. Changing the glue board has never been easier. Simply slide out the old glue board and replace with a new one, sliding it underneath a clip which holds it in place. We recommend you change the UltraGuard glue boards every 4 to 6 weeks or more regularly if you have a fly infestation. For more information on the ViroTrap UV insect killer range and other products, please visit our website